I could smell him there. That's how I seen him. I could smell him. Go over there and look at him. Look at he's just rolled right up. Nice. Oh my gosh, look at that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice 5 point. Nice 5 point. Oh. I'm so happy with this bull. I can't hardly believe it, man. I can't hardly believe it. Oh, he's good.
That's that crash you heard. When he crashed, he come right down on there. Can you see where he come through here? Is this him here?
Yeah, he's been right through here. Yeah, up there. No, here. I see 2 things of blood right here.
And that's it. Right here.
Yeah.
That looks like, it's clotted. Wow. Good job, Steve.
Oh man, I am so happy. I wanted a better. I told you, you asked me what I wanted. I said at least a 5 point better than what I got on the wall. You take my picture of me taking your picture, okay?
I'm recording.